stock horn decided not to work.
Why me?
For whatever reason, I don't know why. Both of them were not working. Like when I was pressing the horn, I could barely hear it. So I thought it was the steering wheel. It's not. So it's very simple. This is ground right here, this wire right here, as my Google search went, and this is the 12V.
Oh, you're an electrician.
And to connect it, you just wire it right here. I'm using these things right here.
What are those?
And that's it. I'm gonna make a video on how I do it real quick.
Then simply apply heat.
Just make sure you put it right between the wires, and this is gonna melt. It's soldering, and it's gonna be soldered to the wire, right? And this is for water protection. So I plugged it in, and on the instructions it did not say which one is 12 or which one is ground. So I'm gonna try it out like this and hope for the best. I mean, the worst thing it could happen was it's just gonna be the fuse popping, right? And let me try it out. So it works, and just one of them seems to be pretty loud. I'm about to do the other side, and then I'm gonna put my bumper back on and everything. And this is how I wire them, in case you want to do the same thing. And not really sure where I'm gonna put them. I guess back into the stock location if it fits. Well, I'll find out in a few seconds.
One eternity later.
So this is how it looks, and that's the stock horn location pretty much. It should clear my bumper. I don't care about showing it off, really. It's a sleeper car, so I don't want people to know I have that much aftermarket. Like if you look at my CRX outside, it looks like it's stock, you know. But anyways, I will be doing the video on the other side next time, because it's getting dark right now and I'm not gonna finish. But pretty much this is how it looks, and yeah, it's pretty loud. I'll do another test just so you can hear.
Oh, finally, it's over.